we will discuss about current affairs of July month. First is, which is the best performing state controlling TB as per India TB? So it is Gujarat. Second, recently NASA has announced to name their headquarters after Mary W. Jackson. Third, which state in India has won the first prize under E-Panchayat Puraskar 2020? It is Himachal Pradesh. Which country recently offered project management consultancy contract for the development of 500 megawatt solar park to NTPC? It is Mali. Fifth, what will be the GDP of India in 2020 as per estimation of International Monetary Fund? It is minus 4.5%. First time observed in 2017. On which day MSME Day is observed? On 27th June. Who among the following was named as ambassador for the 45th edition of Toronto International Film Festival 2020? Film Festival 2020. It is both first and third, Priyanka Chopra and Anurag Kashyap. Who has become the first female president of Marylebone Cricket Club in 233 years, with effect from October 1, 2021? It is Clare Connor. Mahendra Nath Pandey. Recently, Ministry of Skill Development and Entrepreneurship has collaborated with IBM to introduce Skill Build, Reignite and Skill Build Innovation Camp. Who is the CEO of IBM? He is Arvind Krishna. 10th question is, what is the name of the app launched by Dr. Harshvardhan in partnership with Indian Red Cross Society? It is eBlood Services. 11th, Sanjay Kumar was appointed as the Chief Secretary of which state? Maharashtra. Which of the following bank has launched Yuva Pay with the partnership with UDMA Technology? Yes Bank. Vithabia Naryangokar Lifetime Achievement Award will be given to Gulabbai Sangman Nargar by Maharashtra government. So here is some questions. Which is the name of the campaign backed by World Bank, started by goal for checking groundwater depletion in 7 Indian states? So answer is Atal Bhujal Yojana. Second is, which bank in India has highest market capitalization? It is HDFC Bank. Nadu is started by which state government for transformation of government schools? It is Andhra Pradesh. Ra-Ad-Il is the nuclear capable missile of which country? It is Pakistan. Which Indian has won the prestigious Peace Prize of the German book trade? It is Amartya Sen. What is the tenure of PM Garib Kalyan Rozgar Abhiyan, which seek to provide job opportunity to migrant workers? It is 125 days. On which day International Asteroid Day is observed? It is 30th June. Which state health minister has been honored by United Nations for her efforts to fight with COVID-19? It is Kerala. Which state has become the first to control locusts through drones? It is India. 16th. The Ministry of Culture is observing the Sankalp Parv from 28th June to 12th July. Who is the Union Minister of State for Culture and Tourism? He is Prahlad Singh Patel. G20 Extraordinary Virtual Education Ministers meet under the presidency of Saudi Arabia, held to address the widespread disruption caused by COVID-19 in education sector. It is Union HRD Minister Ramesh Pokhriyal Nishank. He is represented India. 18th. Recently, the Times Higher Education released the Young University Rank 2020 for the universities which are 50-year-old or younger. 2 Indian institutes secured their rank in the top 100 with IIT Ropar, the best 12-year-old institute of India at 62 rank, and IIT Indore at 64th rank, topped by the Hong Kong University of Science and Technology. 19th. The Punjab government appointed 1987 batch Indian Administrative Services officer Winnie Mahajan as the Chief Secretary, by which she becomes the first woman to hold the position of Chief Secretary. 20th. Which state became the first state to launch Godhan Naya Yojana to produce cow dung from livestock owners? It is Chhattisgarh. Who has become the new Prime Minister of Ireland? He is Michael Martin. 22. Recently, squadron leader Parvez Jamasji passed away. He has been awarded which gallantry award? Veer Chakra. Union Minister of Tribal Affairs Arjun Munda inaugurated the Tribes India store on the government e-marketplace. This will help in facilitating purchases by the government. Main focus on traffic goes digital and be vocal for local. 24th. Indian Navy inducts advanced torpedo decoy system named Marek. This has been designed by DRDO and it is capable of detecting enemies torpedo and can neutralize that. 25th. On which day National Statistics Day is observed? It is observed on 29th June. 26th. Indian Empire Nitin Menon 2020-2021 has been inducted in ICC Elite Panel. He replaced England's umpire Nigel Loang and he has become the third Indian umpire after Srinivas. Here is some question for you. British Petroleum is going to set up Global Business Services Center in which city? It is Pune. Second, who has been appointed as the president of BMW India? Vikram Pawar. Third, recently which campaign has been launched by FICCI, FLO and Ministry of Women and Child Development to empower women entrepreneurship? It is empowering the greater 50%. Who authorized the book titled Legend of Sukhdev, the King Who Saved India? It is Amish Tripathi. Recently, NASA astronomers has discovered the remarkable neutron star, which is known as Swift J 1818.021607, is approximately how many years old? It is 240 years. 27th. On which day National Doctor Day is observed in India? 1st July. Which of the following Indian state has launched the campaign Kill Corona to control the spread of COVID-19? Madhya Pradesh. CM of Madhya Pradesh is Shivraj Singh Chauhan and Governor is Anandiben. She has the additional charge. India has signed an agreement for 600 megawatt Kolongchu joint venture hydro project in which country? So it is Bhutan. World Bank approves $500 million under which project to improve education quality in 6 Indian states? Stars. Important points. Government extends the tenure of Sukhbir Singh Sandhu as NHAI chairman for 6 months. Union HRD Minister launches Drug Discovery Hackathon 2020 to support drug discovery process. International Day of Cooperative observed on 4th July. International Day of Cooperatives. French PM Edouard Philippe resigns. IIT Kanpur develops teaching setup mobile mastery. So these are the important points. So have a look at question 31. Who has been given the additional charge of Governor of Madhya Pradesh? So she is Anandiben Patel. He has scored 31 goals in national appearances as he won Bundesliga title in 2007. 32. Recently, footballer Mario Gomez announces his retirement. He played for which country? He played for Germany. Who has become the new president of Malawi? So he is Lazarus Chakwera. Which is the first Indian state has developed India's first lichen park? So it is Uttarakhand. Kannada writer Geeta Nagabhushan passed away. She was from Karnataka. She served as the chairperson of Karnataka Sahitya Akademi. She chaired the 76th Akhil Bharat Kannada Sahitya Sammelan in 2010. 36. International Day of Parliamentary is observed on 30th June. This day was established in 2018 by UN. India bans 59 Chinese apps. The Ministry of Information Technology, invoking its powers under Section 69A of the Information Technology Act 2009. 38. Pop star Beyonce, honored with BET, Black Entertainment Television Network, awarded for long-standing philanthropic work with her Be Good function. Maharashtra launches world largest plasma therapy trial, 16.65 crore, named as Project Platina. So here is some question for you. Who has been appointed as the chairman and managing director of Power Finance Corporation? So it is Ravinder Singh Dhillon. 2. Recently, the Insolvency and Bankruptcy Board of India has reconstituted an advisory committee on service provider who will chair this committee. So, TV Mohandas Pai. According to the report, what is increased in total FDI of India in FY 2019 to 20 as per Department of Promotion of Industry and International Trade? 18%. Who has won Regional Award for Asia in 2020 Commonwealth Short Story Prize? Kritika Pandey. The Great India Tea and Snakes. Fifth, who has been appointed as the new chairman of British Academy of Film and Television Arts? It is Krish Naidu Muzumdar, who has been conferred with first PC Mahalanobis Award for providing solution in the issues related to the estimation of national income. He is C. Rangarajan. India first plasma bank to be set up which Indian state or union territory? It is New Delhi. The 36th Asian Summit virtual held in Vietnam. What is the theme of National Doctor Day 2020? Lessen the mortality of COVID-19. Which of the following state has launched हमारा घर हमारा विद्यालय? मध्य प्रदेश. Union Sports Minister Kiran Rijiju launches NADA app for athletes by offering easily accessible information on various aspects of sports, prohibited substance as well as dope test. 46. PM Modi extends Pradhan Mantri Garib Kalyan Ann Yojana till November 2020. 47. Swiggy tie-up with ICICI Bank of digital wallet named Swiggy Money. Karnataka launches Skill Connect forum to connect job seeker with employer on a common platform. Who has been re-elected as the President of Iceland? Gudni Thomas Johnson. On which day National Postal Worker Day is observed? 1st July. Legendary comedian, writer, director and actor Carl Reiner passed by. So here is some question for you. Rifat Chandriji passed away. He was known as the father of modern architecture of which country? Iraq. IMF included which Indian its 12th member external advisory group? Raghuram Rajan. China Central Bank brought 1.01% stake in which financial service company of India? HDFC Bank. Sumant Kathapalai is MD and CEO of which bank? IndusLand Bank. Shri Stirling Moss passed by. He was related to which field? Formula 1 racing driver. Who has been named as the India's most valuable player of 21st century by Wisden? Ravindra Jadeja. Who has been appointed as the India's next envoy to United Nations bodies and other international organizations in Geneva? So it is Indramani Pandey. Who has been appointed as the Pakistan's first female Lieutenant General? Nigar Johar. 55. Shashank Manohar quits as ICC chairman after 2 years tenure. 56. Nasha Mukt Bharat Annual Action Plan 2022-21 was recently launched for how many affected districts of India? 272. Which of the following country has passed an ordinance to prosecute those who damage national monuments, hence making it punishable offence with up to 10 years in jail. It is no answer, so you have to find yourself. 59. Recently, FIFA has approved the COVID-19 relief fund of $1.5 billion. Who is the president of FIFA? Gianni Infantino. Ravinder Bhakkar has become the new CEO of Central Board of Film Certificates. Shrikant Madhav Vaidya becomes the new chairman of Indian Oil Corporation, replacing Sanjeev Singh, who retired on 30th June. Sanjay Dwivedi has been appointed as the director of Indian Institute of Mass Communication. Giriraj Singh launches the first edition of Matsya Sampada. First edition. Which of the following state has announced Dream Kerala project aiming to gain potential and experience of those returning from abroad or other state after losing their jobs due to COVID-19? It is Kerala. Here is some question for you. The e-way bill is mandatory for more than what amount of the value of interstate monument goods is? Rupees 50,000. Who is the chairman of National Disaster Management Authority? So he is Mr. Narendra Modi. He is the chairman of National Disaster Management Authority. Which airport in India is first to certified as single-use plastic-free? It is Indira Gandhi International Airport. Who is the Drug Controller General of India? He is V.G. Somani. Hemis National Park is famous for snow leopard. It is in Ladakh. Recently, a book titled The Future of Higher Education 9 Mega Trend released by M. Venkaiah Naidu. Who is the author of this book? C.A.V. Pattabhiram is the author of this book. 66. Siddharth Mukherjee and Raj Chetty honored as great immigrants 2020. 67. Recently, the Union Government has introduced the budget of which UT 4 times? It is Ladakh. Who was the MD and CEO of Indian Overseas Bank? Karnam Sekhar. New Zealand cancels the Asia Pacific Economic Cooperation Summit 2021 due to COVID-19 pandemic, which was to held in Auckland, New Zealand 2021. Fitch cuts India GDP for FY 2022 from 9.5 to 8%. On which day World Sports Journalist Day is observed? It is observed on 2 July. Which is the following IIT has launched the world first online degree BSc course in programming and data science is IIT Madras. Which of the following bank has launched e-Kisan Dhan app for farmers? It is HDFC Bank. Recently, the US Federal Communication Commission has designed which two Chinese companies as national security threats? Both C&E, Hawaii and ZTC Corporation. Which of the following IIT has developed an artificial intelligence-based deep learning tool which helped to know about COVID-19 patient with the help of chest X-ray images? IIT Gandhinagar. West Indies former cricketer Everton Vickers passed away. 74th. Veteran choreographer Saroj Khan passed away. Her real name was Nirmala Nagpal. 75. Former Mizoram Assembly Speaker Upa Rokomlova passed away in the month of July. Which world approves $750 million emergency response program for MSME? So it is question for you. 77. Vladimir Putin will remain president of Russia till 2036. Recently, a book titled The Future of Higher Education 9 Mega Trend released by M. Venkaiah Naidu. Who is the author of this book? So, C.A.V. Pattabhi Ram is the author of this book. Dhruv Batra Award Player of the Year is given in which sport? It is given in hockey. Which state has launched the digital literary program named I Am Digital? Kerala. Who is the new Chief Information Commissioner of India? Bimal Julka. The book Chronicles of Change Champions is released to Beti Bachao, Beti Padhao. The government constituted the Delimitation Commissioner for Jammu and Kashmir. Who is heading this commission? Justice Ranjan Prakash Desai. आई होप वीडियो बहुत लेंथी होगी तो हम बाकी क्वेश्चन नेक्स्ट वीडियो में डिस्कस करेंगे. थैंक यू फॉर लिसनिंग.